Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to show you how to integrate Shopify with GoHighLevel. This integration allows you to sync your e-commerce data directly into your CRM, making it easier to track customer purchases, automate follow-ups, and manage your sales funnel all in one place. To begin, open your web browser and go to GoHighLevel.com. Sign in using your GoHighLevel credentials and make sure you're logged into the correct account where you want Shopify connected. From the left-hand navigation panel, select either your agency account or the appropriate sub-account, as this determines where your Shopify data will be stored. Once you're inside the correct account, click on Settings in the left side menu. From there, scroll down and select Integrations to view the list of available connections supported by GoHighLevel. Look for Shopify in the list and click the Connect button next to it to start the integration process. A new window will appear asking for your Shopify credentials. You'll need to enter your Shopify store domain along with your admin API access token. You can find this token in your Shopify dashboard by going to Settings, then Apps and Sales Channels, and selecting Develop Apps. After entering these details, you'll have the option to choose what you'd like to import, such as products, orders, or customer data. Once you've made your selections, click Sync Settings to complete the connection. That's it, your Shopify store is now successfully integrated with GoHighLevel. This setup allows you to automate customer communication, track purchases more effectively, and streamline your entire sales process. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.